I am Samiraja from Vignans University. The emerging of digitalization in rural areas plays an important role. Primarily, India is considered as an agriculture-based economy. Now it has been changed, its transformed state into knowledge-based economy as it is empowering to change it into the digital society. India is consisting of population morely located in rural areas. So we need to emphasize on rural areas to bring out the digital society in India. The technical enabler will enables the society to focus on the education, e-learning and e-governance and e-health in India. All these aspects will primarily considered to be focused on the rural areas. The Digital India is one of such a platform which provides abilities to the rural areas, and it was launched by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. And now the main objectives of this in introducing the Digital India is it is used for the manufacturing of electronic, that means providing IT jobs in our India will increase the employment opportunities, and by manufacturing the electronic goods in our country and not importing from the other will also turns into the skill development program too, and it is used for the broadband high connectivity, that means providing high internet usage to all the people in the local areas and making the access of internet to all the people in all over the world and every nook of the corner in the world. And now the motto behind this is to implement the digitalization and to put step forward in this. Coming to the rural areas, most of the people in the rural areas are illiterates. That means whatever the program that we are initiating, if it is helpful to them, then that could be made possible to form this digital society. The thing is implementing the vocal based helplines such that the farmers can make use of it and they can implement for it for their individual use and also for the beneficial of the country too. For like cattle production or crop production and using of pesticides and pesticides for the crops, all these instructions that they can get over the helplines, and by performing it they can get the knowledge of and they can productively get the output. This is also can be considered as an enhancement of the digital society. And now the impacts that this digitalization of India is having is increasing in the employment opportunities. All the youth in rural areas can take part of this Digital India by providing the training programs to the rural youth people through e-learning and by providing accessibility to the education and by conducting internet kiosks, which gives the campaigns to them in order to get into it. And it is also useful in reducing the risks and uncertainty. For instance, we can consider the fisherman example. Whenever they want to ventures into the sea, before the ventures, if they get the weather protocols, that means whether it is safe to start from now or not, they can get that over. And even they can carry the mobile phones along with them. If they are in any dangerous conditions, then they can call over the people or intimate the people about their conditions. This could be helpful. And next is the e-literacy. That means the people in the rural area can get literated by the e-learning programmings. So many internet campaigns provides the training sessions like MS Office implements and how to use the internet and how to use the documents, and all this will be provided. And now talking about English, the internet, the main language used by the internet is English. So the people need to be aware of this in order to get into this digital society, and all this will be helpful. And even our country is trying for implementing uses of this some mail services in the local languages, some of the companies have been introduced some have created a database which can be implemented in a local language. That means we can create our mail IDs in a local languages, which can be helpful for the people who are in the rural areas. So the country is on the right path, and if we can collaborate along with ourselves, then it is possible for the succession of the nation.